There was an eclipse on 22nd of July 2009. This eclipse was an important eclipse for the century because this was the longest eclipse that will be seen in the entire century. Why it happened? Because Ketu, Sun and Moon were together at the same degree within 1 degree range, and that doesn't happen so often. So Ketu and Sun have to be together whenever the eclipse is there, but they do not happen to be in the same degree all the time. There can be a difference of 10 to 15 degrees and still the solar eclipse happens. There happen to be a solar eclipse every 6 months, or even before that, 10 days before every 6 months. And there can be maximum of that way 3 solar eclipses and maximum of 7 eclipses, including the lunar eclipses in a year. But this time the solar eclipse was preceded by a lunar eclipse and going to be followed by a lunar eclipse. This is a strange situation because this kind of situation is not considered to be good for the world, and wherever the eclipse, such an eclipse is seen, that is considered that area is considered to be affected most, and the happenings are going to be like this. That first of all, the sun was in Cancer sign at the time of eclipse, so it was a watery sign. It indicates that there will be lots of rains after the eclipse, and this is what we expect. This eclipse was visible in India, and this is there are no rains, there are not much rains this time, and we expect a lot of rains in the month of August in India. Similarly, there will be increased earthquakes and movement in there will be increased movement in earth plates, and this movement will give rise to earthquakes or increased movement in Richter scale. This is again the other thing is that Saturn and Mars, they are in opposition, they are aspecting each other, and that's another bad point. That indicates lots of accidents and war-like situations may arise within a month's time, that is by end of August or maybe in September, because the happenings occur only after the eclipse, not before the eclipse. Normally the happenings or events start occurring after 30 days of the eclipse. So we expect events to occur say after 15th of August, and then the month of September will be a very crucial month. There can be accidents and wars or some deaths of senior very important persons. That is the kind of thing that we see out of the eclipse. Everybody wants to know about the stock market, the trends of stock market, whether we can predict accurately by Vedic astrology or not. The answer is that yes, definitely we can predict about the trends. Whatever is going on Earth is definitely governed by the planets around us, and they are definitely making an impact by gravitational effect or by otherwise by other cosmic rays, but they make an impact on us which we cannot judge, but we can feel. The trends in stock market, the best way is to see that how it has happened in the past, and what planets are making changes in the stock market. And what we come to know that it is first of all the Mercury, which is important, and the next important planet is Venus, and the third important planet is Mars. Jupiter is not that much important as it seems to be, and Saturn again happens to be less important as we feel that it should be important for the major events. But Sun again plays a vital role in the stock market. So these are the major planets: Sun, Mercury, Venus and Mars. These are the 4 planets which govern the trends of the stock market. Moon is, though it seems that everyday movement is governed by Moon, and we can predict by taking care of Moon, but practically speaking, Moon doesn't seem to be affecting much, and we cannot predict or base our predictions on the basis of Moon. And every hour prediction if we make, again I would like to say and tell you something about the researches that we have done at Future Point, and that every minute prediction or every hour predictions, it is not authentically possible to make. Yes, we can make suggestions and we can make some predictions based on horary system or KB system of astrology, but the traditional system that we may apply to predict about the daily movement of the stock market, it doesn't seem to be coming out very accurate. It doesn't seem to be coming out accurate more than say 50 or 60%. But if we want accuracy levels of 80 to 90%, then the trends only we can definitely say, and we can say for sure that the trends are correct. Accuracy level going as high as 90%, we can suggest if we want to go on weekly or monthly basis, the predictions can be made accurate, and that we have been doing at Future Point through our spatial software, which analyzes the past rates or past indexes vis-a-vis the planet degrees, planetary positions, and then we predict for the future. And what we expect in the next near future is that in August there will be a market, fluctuating market. In the September end, the rates will go up slightly, whereas in October again not much increment is there. November this time, normally in November the rates do not go up, but this time in November the rates, the stock market will go up, and December also it will be up.